Hey everyone! Welcome back to Hana's English Corner. I'm Hana, and this is your little moment to relax, smile, and learn some real English.
And I'm Ethan. Here, we don't chase perfect grammar. We focus on real life English, the kind you can use in everyday conversations.
Today we're talking about something that moves everyone. Literally, transportation.
That's right. Whether you take the bus, drive to work, or ride your bike to school, transportation is a big part of daily life.
Yes, and it's one of the most useful topics in English, because we all need to talk about how we get from place to place.
So today we'll explore how to describe your daily commute, talk about traffic, and share travel stories, all in simple, natural English.
Let's get rolling. So, Ethan, how do you usually get around the city?
Most of the time I ride my bike. It's fast, good for the planet, and I don't have to worry about traffic.
That sounds nice. I wish I could do that. But I usually take the bus to work. It's cheap, and I can listen to music or podcasts while riding.
Including our podcast, right?
Of course, that's my morning routine. Headphones on, coffee in hand, and Hana's English Corner in my ears.
Perfect. So, listeners, here's our first phrase. I take the bus to work. You can change bus to anything. I take the train to school. I take a taxi to the airport. Or I ride my bike to class.
Just remember that we say take the bus, train, or taxi, but ride a bike or motorcycle.
That's a good point. And when you're late, you can say I was stuck in traffic.
Oh, I use that one all the time. Sorry I'm late. I was stuck in traffic. It works in any city.
Another useful phrase is I missed my stop. It means you didn't get off the bus or train at the right place.
I did that once last week. I was daydreaming and suddenly the bus passed my stop. I had to walk back for 10 minutes under the sun.
That's the worst feeling. But good English practice, right?
Yeah, I practiced saying I missed my stop about 10 times that day.
Let's give our listeners a mini practice. Repeat after us. I take the bus to work.
I was stuck in traffic.
I missed my stop.
Good. Now, here's a short role play. I'll be the late student and you'll be the friend waiting.
Okay, go for it.
Hey, sorry I'm late. The bus was so slow today.
That's fine. Did you get stuck in traffic again?
Yeah. And then I missed my stop because I was texting you.
Classic, Hana.
See? Just a few phrases and you can describe a real situation naturally.
The key is to connect the words to your daily life. Don't just memorize them, imagine using them when you travel.
Right. Think about your own morning routine. What do you usually take to school or work? The bus, the subway, or maybe your own 2 feet?
Whatever it is, say it in English. I walk to school, I take the subway, I ride my bike to work. The more you say it, the more natural it feels.
And remember, it's not about perfect grammar. It's about expressing yourself clearly and confidently.
Well said. So, Hana, what do you say we move on to another way of getting around? Maybe taxis or ride hailing apps?
Let's do it.
When I'm too tired to bike, I usually grab a taxi or book a ride on an app. It's quick and easy.
Same here. Especially when it's raining. I always say, can you take me to the station, please?
That's a great phrase. Can you take me to works anywhere? You can say, can you take me to the airport? Or can you take me downtown?
And if you're not sure about time, you can ask how long will it take to get there?
Or if you're using an app like Uber or Bolt, you might say, could you drop me off at the office? It sounds polite and natural.
Let's do a quick role play for our listeners. I'll be the passenger and you'll be the driver.
All right, ready when you are.
Hi there. Can you take me to the train station, please?
Sure, do you want the fastest route or the cheapest one?
Definitely the fastest one. I'm running late.
No problem. Please fasten your seatbelt. We'll be there in 15 minutes.
Perfect. Oh, and could you drop me off near the entrance?
Of course.
That's it. Short, simple, and totally natural.
And here's a cultural tip. In many cities, like London, New York, or Bangkok, taxi drivers love small talk. They often ask, where are you from? Or how long have you been here?
Oh, yes. I've had that question so many times. It's such a friendly way to start a conversation.
You can ask back, do you like driving around the city? Or is it busy today? Those little questions keep the chat going.
And it's great English practice, too. You don't need to be perfect. You just need to connect.
Even short conversations can help you sound more confident.
All right. Now that we've covered how to move around the city, let's go beyond it. Trains, flights, maybe even a road trip.
I like the sound of that. Let's take this journey a little farther. Have you ever taken a long train trip, Hana?
Yes, actually. Last summer, I took a train from Paris to Barcelona. It was an overnight trip. Long but beautiful.
That sounds amazing. I love train rides. You can sit back, look out the window, and just relax.
I had a book, some snacks, and my favorite playlist. It felt like time slowed down in a good way.
Let's teach some useful phrases for train travel. Buy a ticket, catch the train, round trip, platform, and get off at the next stop.
And if you're traveling abroad, you might ask, which platform should I go to? Or what time does the train leave?
That's right. Let's try a quick role play. I'll be the ticket officer, and you're the traveler.
Okay. Hi, I'd like a ticket to Tokyo, please.
One way around trip.
Round trip, please.
The next train leaves at 9:30 from platform 3.
Thank you so much.
Perfect. Now remember, round trip means going somewhere and coming back, while one way means just one direction.
Got it. Now, let's take things higher. Literally. Let's talk about air travel.
Ah, yes, airports. They're exciting, but also a little stressful.
True. There are so many steps. Check in, go through security, find your boarding gate.
Here are some key phrases. Where is the check-in counter? My flight was delayed. What time does boarding start? I need to go to baggage claim.
And delayed means the flight is late, while canceled means it won't happen.
And when you arrive, baggage claim is the place where you pick up your luggage.
Quick question, Ethan. Are you the kind of traveler who arrives super early or just in time?
I like to get there early. I'd rather wait with a coffee than run through the airport.
Same here. And coffee makes everything better.
Always. Now, what about road trips?
Oh, yes. My friends and I took a road trip from Los Angeles to San Francisco last year. The ocean views, the music, the snacks, everything was perfect.
That sounds great. Here are some phrases for driving. Fill up the tank, hit the road, pull over, and take a break.
For example, let's fill up the tank before we leave, or we pulled over to take some photos.
And hit the road means to start your journey.
My favorite part of road trips is stopping at random cafes along the way.
Every stop feels like a small story. And if you ever take a wrong turn, you can say, we took the wrong turn, or let's check the map.
Yeah, and sometimes those wrong turns lead to the best memories.
Well said. Travel isn't just about reaching the destination. It's about the moments in between.
Whether you're on a train, a plane, or in a car, every trip teaches you something new about the world and about yourself. You know, Ethan, all this talk about traveling reminds me how many English idioms are connected to transportation.
True. Travel idioms are everywhere, and they make your English sound so much more natural.
Let's start with one I love. In the same boat. It means to be in the same situation as someone else.
For example, we're in the same boat if we both forgot our homework.
Another one is miss the boat. It means you lost an opportunity. Like, I wanted to apply for that job, but I missed the boat.
And of course, hit the road to start your journey or to leave.
So, if it's getting late, you can say, let's hit the road.
One more, drive someone crazy. It means to annoy someone.
Like when I sing too loudly in the car. That drives Ethan crazy.
It sure does. But idioms like these really bring color to your English.
And you'll hear them in songs, movies, and everyday conversations.
Let's review. In the same boat, miss the boat, hit the road, drive someone crazy.
Great job, everyone. Now, before we finish, let's slow down and reflect a little.
You know, Hana, the more we talk about travel, the more I realize it's not just about moving from one place to another.
I agree. Every trip changes us. Even small ones, like taking the bus to work.
Travel teaches patience, curiosity, and courage. And learning English is kind of the same journey.
Sometimes you move fast, sometimes slow. But as long as you keep going, you're making progress.
Even if you miss one bus, another one will come. Just keep learning.
You don't need to be perfect. You just need to stay on the road. Every word you learn takes you one step closer to confidence.
So, to everyone listening, think of yourself as a traveler in English. Enjoy the view, enjoy the ride, and don't rush.
And remember, every journey, in life or in language, begins with one small step.
Or one simple sentence.
True. So keep moving forward, keep speaking, and keep believing in yourself.
You're already on the road to fluency.
Thanks for traveling with us today, friends.
See you next time on Hana's English Corner.